Hey everyone, today I'll show you how kids can start coding in Roblox Studio. This is perfect for beginners who want to make their first game. Let's get started. First, download and open the Roblox Studio and log in and click New Project and choose Base Plate or Template where you want to start your building. And click the Part button to add a block to your game. You can move, resize, or color it to make platforms or decorations. Then right-click the part and choose Insert Object and click Script and type your code. And this will make the Roblox Studio show a message when you test the game. And click play to test and you'll see Hello Roblox in the output window. Congrats! You just wrote your first line code. And that's how kids can start coding in Roblox Studio. Keep experimenting with parts and script to create fun games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.